Hello, happy campers. Today, I'm sorry. It's already starting off. Hey, happy campers. It's Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Grand Design Transcend 200MK. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification because we have a lot more videos coming your way. Now, let's take a look. Okay, we have stepped out here to the entertainment side of this Transcend, and as you can see, we already do have those 2024 updates that we've talked about previously. Just a little bit more lighter coloring out here, which I do love. And we also have our LED lights out here, our indoor-outdoor speaker system, which is perfect for if you want to have a party out here. You can listen to your music indoors and outdoors at the same time. We also have our G-Class all-glass entry door. Love this entry door. It's kind of reflective, so when you walk up your door, you can see what you're doing, and just adds a little bit more fanciness out here, which I really do like. And we do have our awning out here as well, and just all of our typical things that the Transcend usually comes with. Now, let's check out the storage. Down here in our storage area, we have this huge storage space, which is nice, large, and easy to clean. They have this light colored flooring down here, which is easy to wipe out. So if things get a little dirty at the campground, you put them down here, get some dirt down here, easy to sweep, or get a cloth and just wipe that out. We also have some lights down here, so at night when you're putting things away, you can turn those on and see everything in this space. We also do have our convenience bay over there with your solar and your battery disconnect and all the other things that you're going to want at the campground. Now, let's move on inside. When you first walk into this Transcend, you do notice that they've added these seamless LED strip lights in here. We have seen these in some of our 2024 Imagines that we've shown on here as well. These just kind of give more of a futuristic and very bright look in here, which I love. They did add these over the seams in the camper, so instead of seeing those seams up on the top, you just have a little bit more lighting in here, which is great. And over here, right by your entry door, you do have your control panel. Your control panel holds all the things you're going to need inside your camper, including your light switches, your awning, and your slide control. Also underneath that, we do have our indoor-outdoor speaker system. So you want to listen to your music inside, maybe outside too. You can control all that from right here, right next to your door of the camper. Now, let's look at the living space. Across from your entryway in the one side of this camper, we have this super nice theater seating area. These theater seats are very comfy. I can tell you that just by sitting on them. This is a very large seating area. I would say you could have lots of people in here. Say you're wanting to have a little party and entertain some guests. There are plenty of space for them to sit. We do have cup holders on either side of the theater seats, and this little middle section, if I can get it, pops down and you have a couple more cup holders here and a little area if you want to set maybe a plate of food or something here, you can do that. And these also pop out, so if you want to lay back and relax and watch some TV, you can do that from right here as well. And speaking of TV, across from these theater seats, we do have our entertainment space. We have a little TV on a swivel, so you want to watch it from the theater seats or your bed. You can move that around and see where all you want to watch it from. We have a little bit of counter space, and we have some big drawers underneath for all your things, including some remotes, maybe a couple of movies or magazines, plenty of space for that, and just a couple of drawers and shelves underneath to store your other items. Now, let's look at the bedroom space. Behind your privacy curtain, we have our lovely bedroom area. This is an open floor plan camper, so you do have a very open living space, but say you want a little privacy in the bedroom area, you can just close this curtain, and you still have plenty of space back here in the bedroom. Back here, we do have this lovely queen size bed and plenty of room for all the stuff you're going to want to take to the campground. We have closet space on either side of the bed with a hanging rod, so if you want to hang up some of your clothes, you have space to do that here. We also have some drawers down to the side and a little bit of storage overhead for all your other items. Over here, we do have our light switch for the lights above the bed. So say you want a little bit darker back here, but not in the rest of the camper, you can do that right here with your switch. And on both sides, you do have an electricity outlet, and you also have a USB port and a USB-C port for all your items, including your iPads or your tablets. And another cool thing about this bedroom area, in case you want to have a little bit more storage, there's plenty under the bed for all those suitcases or any other things you're going to want to take along with you. Now, let's check out the kitchen. In this Transcend, we do have a lovely kitchen area. Over here in the kitchen, we do have our farmhouse style sink, a nice open sink, a lot of room for your dishes or your silverware, any other things in there. We also have a retractable sink head right here and plenty of cabinet space. You have room up here for all your plates, other dishes you're going to want to take along with you. And under the sink, there is more room. Over here, you could fit some cleaning supplies, and this one is a little deeper on the right side. You could probably fit a trash can under there, or maybe a small little broom or something like that, one of those handheld things. We also have plenty of counter space for all your cooking supplies. Over here, we do have our convection microwave with a little bit of room up here for your spices and other things there. We have our typical 3-burner stovetop, and underneath that, we do have these 2 massive drawers. These drawers are plenty deep and big enough for your pots and pans or other cooking supplies you're going to take along with you. On the other side of this, we do have some more countertop space, and we have an outlet right here, so if you want to bring your coffee machine or other things, you can put that up there as well. A little bit more cabinet space up here. Plenty of room for all your cereals and other food items up there. And behind me, if you can see it, we do have our Furrion fridge. This fridge is nice. I love the black color, very seamless in here. We have plenty of space in the fridge and in the freezer. I don't know if you can see it around me, but we have plenty of space for your food, and we have some drawers over here and a big freezer for all your popsicles for all the little kiddos at the campground. Now, let's take a look at the bathroom. Back here in the bathroom, we do have a lovely, nice sized bathroom back here. We have our medicine cabinet with plenty of shelving space in there for all of your toiletries. To the right of that, I actually really like the shelving unit they have in here. Plenty of room that is open so you can see what is in these shelves. And to the right of that, there's another shelving unit, perfect for all your washcloths or your towels. You can fold those up, put them right there. And right beside of that, we do have a towel rack. You can throw your towel over that. And underneath, we have that step to flush toilet. Perfect little size, great back here. We also have our sink back here with our electrical outlets, perfect for all your styling tools and other things. We have some good counter space back here, so you can set some stuff up back here while you're getting ready in the morning. We have a little bit of space underneath the sink for other cleaning supplies. You can also throw some toilet paper back there, plenty of room for that. We have some more storage space actually down below the sink. Put more things back there. They're pretty open shelving. You can place lots of items there, maybe some soaps, other things right there. And stepping over here, we do have our nice shower area. This shower is honestly very roomy. You have plenty of room for all size people back here. We have our removable shower head, a little skylight above us for a little natural lighting back here. And we have our squeegee door that keeps all the water inside and not in the floor of your bathroom, which is a plus. If you're interested in this Transcend or any other items in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.